today, let's start with chapter number 1, types of plants. In this chapter, we will study about different types of plants. हम trees के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, herbs के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, shrubs हो गए आपके, creepers, climbers, और कुछ हम aquatic plants के बारे में. Now, let's start with the chapter. There are many types of plants around us. आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारे types of plants देखते हैं. They are of different sizes, इनके अलग-अलग size, अलग-अलग shapes हैं. Some plants grow on land, while some grow in water. देखो कुछ प्लांट ऐसे होते हैं जो लैंड पे ग्रो करते हैं, कुछ होते हैं जो वाटर में. उन्हें जो वाटर पे ग्रो करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स. दे आर नोन एज एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर लिली, वाटर हाइड्रेट, ये क्या है आपके water aquatic plants. You can notice some plants around your school garden and near your home. Now we will study about all these types of plants. You can see trees. आप trees देखते हैं. What are trees? Trees are big, tall, strong plants. How they are? They are big, they are tall, and they are strong. They lived for many years and they had a hard brown, thick and woody stem called trunk. They had hard brown, woody stem, this हम क्या कहते हैं? Trunk कहते हैं. The trunk is divided into many branches and branches bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Branches, they have leaves, flowers, fruits. Next is tree trunk has thick brown covering. And that thick brown covering is known as bark. इससे bark बोला जाता है. Some trees do not have branches. They grow very tall and have a long trunk. For example, your date palm, your coconut. These are the example of trees which are tall and had long trunk. Here you can see in the image, peepal tree, coconut tree, mango tree. Their stem is hard. Next is shrubs. Shrubs, they are smaller than tree. थोड़े छोटे होते हैं tree से. Shrubs are small bushes. They are small bushes, smaller than trees. They are known as small bushes and they are smaller than trees. Trees से छोटे होते हैं. They have their woody stem and they also have many branches like their stem is woody and they also have branches like tree की branches होती है, ऐसे branches होती है. They also live for many years like trees. We get different types of fruits and flowers from the shrub. We get different, हमें अलग-अलग तरीके के fruits, flowers we get from shrub. For example, rose, coconut plant, ठीक है? These all are the example of shrubs. Now, do you know we use tree bark for medicinal purpose. हम medicinal purpose के लिए भी इनका use करते हैं. ऐसे cinnamons जो होते हैं, उनका is a tree bark. It is known as tree bark. In botanical garden of Kolkata, 200-year-old banyan tree is still existing. अगर हम botanical garden of Kolkata की बात करें, तो जो आपका banyan tree है, जो 200-year-old है, it also exists now. It's an experiment learning. You have to complete the table with the names of plants other than those mentioned in the list. आपको जो हमने इस लेसन में पढ़े हैं इस चैप्टर में पढ़े उससे अलग प्लांट्स में यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. Next is herbs. What are herbs? They are small, they are weak plants like coriander. These are the plants which we can, हम उनको हाथ से ही तोड़ सकते हैं. They are so much soft that we can pull it with their hands. Herbs are very small and weak plants. These plants have thin, soft, green stem. ठीक है? इनके कैसे thin, soft and green stems होती हैं. Herbs can be grown easily in our kitchen garden. आप इसको easily grow कर सकते हो अपने kitchen garden में and they usually do not live more than a, ठीक है? They live for only 1 year. After that, they do not survive. They can be used as medicines. Like banana plant is world का largest one. अगर हम banana plant की बात करें तो banana plant was the largest one. For example, coriander, tulsi, or fenugreek. These all are herbs. Next is climbers. What are climbers? These are the plants which need support. इनको support चाहिए होता है wall का, stick का या फिर other plant. Plant that needs support to stand are called climbers. They cannot stand straight because they have thin and weak stem. ठीक है, वो straight खड़े नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि जो उनकी stem होती है वो thin होती है और weak. They must climb on other plant stick to grow. Look at the stem of money plant. आपके घर में भी मामा लोग लगाते होंगे मनी प्लांट, तो आपने देखा होगा या तो उसको वॉल का सपोर्ट दे देते हैं या फिर स्टिक का सपोर्ट देते हैं. Now let's explore something. Now fir and spruce trees grow on mountains while cactus grow in the desert. You have to tell why. Why they spruce or apopine fir tree they are grown in mountain because the snow है, the snow can easily slip off. वहाँ से snow क्या कर सके आराम से पिघल के जा सके. और कैक्टस डेजर्ट में हमें क्यों बोलते हैं, क्यों ग्रो करते हैं, क्योंकि थॉर्नी प्लांट्स होते हैं तो ये अपने वाटर को बहुत टाइम तक स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. डेजर्ट में देयर इज अ स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ वाटर, दैट्स व्हाई वी सी cactus tree there. Now creepers. What are creepers? Creepers, they creep along the ground. Do you eat watermelon? ये big fruit है जो grow करता है along the ground. Some plants have big stem and they grow along the ground. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी stem होती है वो weak होती है. तो what they do, they creep along the ground. वो ground पे creep करते हैं. These plants are called creepers. इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? creepers बोलते हैं. For example, your watermelon, your pumpkin and watermelon. These are the example of creepers. They creep along the ground. Next type of plant is thorny plants. What are thorny plants? These are the plants which have thorns. ठीक है, इनके पास थॉर्न्स होते हैं, कांटे कहते हैं, कांटे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैक्टस, रोज, डेट पाम, दीज आर द थॉर्नी प्लांट. थॉर्नी प्लांट्स यूजुअली ग्रो इन प्लेसेस वेयर देयर इज वेरी लिटिल वाटर. कहाँ मिलेंगे ज्यादातर आपको? ये जहाँ पे पानी की बहुत कमी हो, बहुत कम पानी अवेलेबल हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेजर्ट्स, जिसमें हमें डेजर्ट में क्या मिलता है? कैक्टस देखते हैं. Thorns protect these plants from animals and we should not touch thorny plants. हमको thorny plants को touch नहीं करना है. And जो thorny plants होते हैं, इनके thorns होते हैं, they help the plant to protect themselves from animals. Now next is aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are the plants which grow in water. Where it's grow? In water. They are known as aquatic plant. ये ग्रो करते हैं अंडर द वाटर एंड सम अदर फ्लोट. सम ग्रो अंडर द वाटर एंड सम फ्लोट ऑन द ग्राउंड, लाइक हाइड्रोला, लोटस एंड वाटर लिली. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वाटर प्लांट्स. जो हाइड्रोला प्लांट है, दे आर कंप्लीटली सबमर्ज्ड अंडर द वाटर. आप जो हाइड्रोला प्लांट है, इनमें सी इट कंप्लीटली सबमर्ज्ड अंडर द वाटर. Next is parts of plant. What are the parts of plant? Now you are seeing this. We have divided it into two parts. Root system. This is your root system, and this is your above the ground is your shoot system. ये क्या है आपका? Shoot system. This is your root system and this is your shoot system. In root system, you may see roots. आपको roots दिखाई देंगे. And shoot system, we may see a stem. ये जो main part होता है, stem, ये water और food carry करता है to other parts of plants. This is your stem, flower. This is your bud, leaf, fruit, and these all are branches. ये क्या है? These all are branches. Now, Let's start with the topic. Just like our body parts have different, हमारे body में different parts है. Like plants also have different parts. Like you see eyes, nose, hands होते हैं हमारे पास. ऐसे plants के पास leaf, stem, root, fruit, flower और bud ये सब होते हैं. ये क्या है? ये इसके parts. Now our body has many parts. Similarly, plants also has many parts. Look at the picture and know about different parts of the plant. I have shown you. Important parts of the plants are roots, stem, leaf, flower and ये क्या है? ये important different parts of plant. First is root. Roots are the underground part. Roots are the underground part. They give support. ये क्या देते हैं? Support देते हैं plant को. They also absorb water and minerals from the soil. उनका क्या काम होता है? Water और mineral को soil से absorb करने का. They give firmness to the whole plant. ये क्या देते हैं? Firmness देते हैं पूरे आपके plant. Next is stem. Stems grow above the ground. Leaves, branches, fruits, and flowers grow on it. It carries food and water to all the parts of plant. Its work is to carry all the food and water to all the parts of the plant. It has branches, leaf, fruit, bud on it, flower भी होता है. Now, one by one, let's start about all the parts. First is leaves. Leaves, they are mostly green. They make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. ये mostly green होते हैं. They prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. इनको किसकी air, water, sunlight की नीड पड़ती है. उस process से क्या बनाते हैं? खाना बनाते हैं. And that process is known as photosynthesis. The leaves are also called kitchen of the plant. They are also known kitchen of the plant. There are different size and shape. अलग-अलग size और shape के. Next is flower. Flower is the colorful part of the plant. It gives beauty to the plant. ये beauty देता है plant को. Some plants have bright and big flower, while some have small. It makes seed which become a new plant. Flowers होता है एक colorful part. ये आपकी beauty देता है. ये कुछ bright होता है, कुछ dark होता है. And the seeds होती है, ये seeds देते हैं which become new plant. और seed किसमें grow कर जाती है? New plant. Next are fruits. Fruits are juicy or fleshy part of the plant. They grow from the flower. किससे grow करते हैं? Flower से. They contain either one or many seeds inside it. अगर इसके एक या से ज़्यादा भी seeds होते हैं. For example, mango which have one seed. For example, watermelon which have many seeds. तो seeds होती है वो अलग-अलग type की होती है. किसी में one seed, किसी में बहुत सारी seeds. Next is seeds. Seeds are found inside some fruit. Some fruits have one seed, some have few seeds, and other have many seeds. ठीक है, तो seeds आपको अलग टाइप की होती है. मैंने आपको अभी previously में examples दिए हैं वो seeds के, right? ये क्या थे? They are the different parts of plant. What we have seen above the ground and below. Hope you understood. Now our chapter has been completed. Now our chapter has been completed. We will quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. We have studied that plants are of different size, कुछ small होते हैं, कुछ बड़े होते हैं. Like we have seen different types of plants. We have seen trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. And we have studied about aquatic plants, thorny plants. And lastly, we have seen different parts of plant. And told you the part which is below the ground, that is known as root system. Above the ground, it is known as shoot system. That's all for today. Now, we will start with the exercise of this chapter. Now, take the right answer. People is a dash. Herb, shrub, yet tree. It is a tree. A rose plant is a herb, shrub, yet tree. It is shrub. Money plant is herb, climber, creeper. It is climber. Which of the following is not a creeper? You have to tell which is not a creeper. Pumpkin is a creeper, muskrine is a creeper. Mint is not a creeper, it is shrub. Next is match the following. Leaves. Makes food for plants. Roots. Take in water from soil. Stem carries food and water. Fruit contains seeds. Flower grow into fruit. Next is write T for true and F for false. So sahi hai, you have to write T, and which is wrong, you have to write F. Plants have different shape and size. It's true. Tree stands straight without any support. It's true. किसको support चाहिए होती है? Climbers and creepers. Herbs have thick and hard stem. Herbs की जो stem होती है वो thick और hard होती है. False. Soft होती है. Creepers need support to stand. False. ये क्या करते हैं? ये creep करते हैं along the ground, रेंगते हैं. Green leaves makes food for the plant. It's true. Now, answer the following question. What are trees? Give the example. Trees, what are trees? You have to give some example. Trees are big, hard. Big होते हैं, बहुत long होते हैं, tall होते हैं, and they have hard stem called trunk. Why do climbers need support to climb up? Because they cannot stand straight. किसकी support चाहिए थी? Wall. What are creepers? These are the plants which creeps along the ground. You can write example also. Like watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin. What is the process of food making in the plant? This process is known as photosynthesis. Where do aquatic plants grow? Aquatic plants grow in water. They grow in water. Look at the picture given below and write the names of the plant. These are some pictures given below. You have to write them. For example, this is your rose plant. This is your people. Okay? Like this, you have to write all the names. Your observing skills है भी मैंने आपको chapter पढ़ाया है. You will observe these plants and write their names yourself. Now, that's all for today. Our chapter has been completed. I hope you understood all the exercise of the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.